Have you been searching about how to connect Claude with your LinkedIn ads? Unfortunately, LinkedIn ads. Have you been searching about how to connect Claude with your LinkedIn ads? Well, unfortunately, Claude does not have a LinkedIn ads connector. The only way for you to connect any ad platform with Claude right now is MCP servers. Unfortunately, even LinkedIn does not have its. Have you been searching about how to connect Claude with your LinkedIn ads account? Unfortunately, Claude does not have a direct connector for LinkedIn ads. The only way for you to connect any ad platform, as a matter of fact, with Claude is via an MCP server. Now, unfortunately, LinkedIn does not have its own MCP server as well. Even if it did, it would become very difficult for a B2B marketer, a non-tech person just like me, to set it up because generally MCPs are open source code and you need some amount of tech help to actually set it up. So what to do? Now that you're here on this video, you are going to get value out of it. GrowthSpree, my company, actually built a LinkedIn Ads MCP, which you can connect to Claude. It takes just 5 minutes and it's absolutely free of cost. LinkedIn Ads MCP with Claude is one of the most powerful tools that I have experienced in this AI era. Every B2B marketer, every company which is running LinkedIn ads needs to have this by their side. It will help you build insights. It will help you do root cause analysis, detect creative fatigue, and help you with absolutely everything around LinkedIn ads to help you scale and prove value of LinkedIn ads. Let me show you how you can do it in within 5 minutes. So the first thing that you do is visit GrowthSpree's website, growthspreeofficial.com, go on Marketing AI Agents and click on LinkedIn Ads MCP. Once you're on the LinkedIn Ads MCP page, all you have to do is put in your email ID and click on Get Access Now. It will redirect to your thank you page. Just be here. You will get an email first, which will have your username, which is your email ID that you've put in, and a password. This is how the email would look like. Then click on this login link. Make sure that you open up in a new tab. Let it be there for the while. Next, click on this link and download this particular MCPB file. This is the real MCP file. All you have to do is download it. Once you've downloaded, ensure that you already have Claude, or if you don't, click on this link and you can download Claude for desktop as well. You've done all of these things. Move to the login link, put in your email ID and the password that you've got over email. Click on login and you will come to an integrations page with everything locked. Make sure that you click on LinkedIn ads and connect it. It's a one-time setup. As I mentioned, you will not be sharing any kind of access, any kind of read or write ability to GrowthSpree. It's just an access, one-time login that you do, and it's through OAuth. We don't get any of your data, or we don't store any of your data as well. Once you connect, you can see the API token here. Now go on Claude, click on Settings, click on Extensions, Advanced Settings, Install Extension, put in your MCPB file. It's enabled. Click on Configure, close this. Right here, you have to put this API key. And once you do that, click on Save and you're done. You can go to New Chat. Make sure first thing that under connectors, GrowthSpree MCP server is enabled. You can start chatting, ask any questions about your LinkedIn ads or anything related to creatives, content, optimizations required, reporting, the next quarter's plan, anything and everything absolutely free forever from GrowthSpree to all B2B marketers. Thank you.